Hi, I'm John with Lake Tahoe Taichi, and in today's video we're going to be going over this basic form in Taichi. This Taichi for Beginners form is mainly focusing on balance and fall prevention. It's a really simple form that allows you to easily follow along, and then later in another video we'll be taking a more in-depth look of each movement and breaking it down piece by piece. Please leave comments or any feedback down below in the comment section. I'd like to hear from you guys, and also please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. So once again, thank you, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. So first off, I'd like to thank Omni Studios for allowing me to use their open mat space. Omni Studios is also located in South Lake Tahoe at the Tahoe Crossing. They have a great variety of classes that include hot yoga, pole, bar, dance, and much more. But they have a great facility and amazing staff. But you guys should definitely check them out. And once again, I'd like to thank Omni Studios. So once again, my name is John with Lake Tahoe Taichi, and I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Just a basic form that focuses on balance and fall prevention. So please check out some of my other content, but once again, thank you for watching.